I'm looking for Indian food. Oh, you're seeing it sprout up all over the country. Big flavors, great stories, and I got one for you right here at a gas station. This is Tandoori Oven.
Saag paneer on A1, please.
It's like a smorgasbord of flavors.
The lamb karahi.
When this restaurant came, it was a huge welcome for people to understand how great Indian food really is.
And it's Chef Sham Arora and his family who are schooling the locals about the regional flavors of their homeland.
Northern India.
Northern is more meat and more sauce?
It's like more rich food, like more everything.
And when did you come to the United States?
1997.
And then your whole family's here now?
Yes, sir.
Everybody work in the restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay.
How's everything tasting over here, guys?
I love the lentil bread. I love the plum sauce. I love the tikka masala.
Would it be easier to ask you what you don't like?
Probably.
The chicken tikka masala.
So today we had the chicken tikka masala, which is like an Indian stew.
It's creamy, it has incredible flavor. You just get the whole experience.
What are we gonna make?
Chicken tikka masala.
Gotta do the sauces first.
Yeah. We're just going to make onion gravy. Oil, cumin, coriander.
I'm done cutting all of these onions.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome very little. Be careful with those. I'd worked on those all day.
Tomato.
In the water.
Next, we have to make a separate sauce, oil, ginger garlic, this garam
The garam
masala, turmeric, paprika.
We'll add it to the onions and the tomatoes. We'll hit it with the immersion blender, and then the onion gravy's done.
And then gravy is done.
Now we're gonna make the chicken for the tikka masala.
Yes, sir. Homemade yogurt, salt on
Okay.
it, paprika, turmeric, garam masala, and lemon juice, ginger garlic, then little touch of color. We add some chicken.
48 hours of marinade.
48,
What temperature is the tandoor oven running at right now?
almost 400.
Is there wood in there?
Mystery charcoal.
You're not gonna tell me? It's a mystery charcoal.
No, mystery
I
charcoal.
wonder if it's, oh, mesquite.
Mesquite charcoal.
Thought it was mystery charcoal. Chicken's working, time for the sauce.
Put some little ginger garlic, little bell pepper, some cream.
Onion gravy, tomato gravy.
This is the chicken tikka.
And how long does this cook?
Just until boiled it.
And what's in the rice, chef?
Cloves, bay leaf, and cumin seed.
Delicious.
Then fenugreek leaf, cilantro, tikka masala, and then good to go, sir.
Now, what is the correct way to eat this?
Over the rice, but mostly in northern India, we have to scoop the bread.
Ah, well, you just told me put it over the rice. I'm having anxiety right now about how to shovel it in fast enough, but do it and not look like I'm the first time a dog's seen a bowl of food. Oh, so good. This is very approachable. That's probably one of the staple dishes that people should try when they're trying Indian food for the first time. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you.
Thank you.
The chicken tikka masala for you.
The chicken is so tender. My teeth just sink into it.
Perfect blend of spice,